Welcome to the info with me, HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound and vibration. Here you'll see silent, vibration and silent mode, and just to switch sound, for example, to the silent, you should just click here on the silent mode section. If you want to turn it off, you should switch silent to the sound once again. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and here you'll see the sound icon. Click here twice on this icon, and now we can see that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off, click on the silent mode icon once, and now we can see that the sound mode is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.